Darling. Good job.
Oh, you can get
Your
now.
food.
If
Good
she's
job.
finished.
Oh yeah, okay. Get another one. Yeah.
Get one.
Good job. Good job. Wait, chew your food. Not too fast. Chew it well so that it's and then it's good for you because your saliva breaks up the food as you chew it. Makes it better for your body. You finished? Show Daddy. Did you swallow? Oh, that was too quick. In your mouth. Good girl. Good job. Do you want to wipe your hands? Like that? Winnie. Wipe your hands. Yeah, that's a girl. Yeah, good job. Good job. Okay, we're done. That's enough. Don't play with your food. No, chew your food first. No, not yet, not yet. You're not done. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Chew your food. I said wait. Daddy wants to know that you've swallowed your food. Did you swallow your food? Yeah, okay. That's right. Chew it up. Put it in your mouth. Chew it up. No, not yet. No. Not yet. You're still eating. No. If you put it in, Daddy will have to discipline you. Daddy doesn't want to do that. Yeah, I know it's tempting to put lots in your mouth. Watch. Yeah. Not yet. Yeah, that's a watch. Very good that. It's Daddy's watch. We went in and watched Uncle Steve play his keyboard.
Really?
Okay.
Very good.
Wipe your hands. Wipe your hands. Good job. Yeah.
Later na lang mag-wipe after
Okay,
she
yeah,
finish
that's fine.
eating.
All right, good. Not yet. No. Not yet. Eat your food. You have to chew it up so your saliva can break it down, and then when it goes into your body, all the nourishment goes into your bloodstream really fast and through your tummy. No, don't do that. Don't play with food. No, don't do that. Okay? In your mouth. In your mouth. I don't know if she was finished that piece actually. No, don't you dare. No, not yet. I don't think you finished the other piece. Look, if you want to put it in, just chew it up. Elijah's watching you eat, Quinn. He has to learn to eat. Maybe instead of Daddy teaching him to eat, you'll be the one. Because he'll be able to copy you and you'll be able to say, no, Elijah, no, not like that. No, don't do that. Don't play with the food. No, swallow. Show Daddy your mouth. Open your mouth. Are you finished? No, show Daddy. No, you're not done. No, you're not done. Not yet. Not yet. Show Daddy your mouth. Open your mouth for Daddy to see. No, let Daddy see. No, you're still not done. No, you're not done. Well, you have to be done. No, you have to be done. Let Daddy have a look again. Because otherwise you've got lots of... Look at me. I'll smack you if I have to. Okay, Daddy doesn't want to. Okay? Open your mouth. Are you done now? Yep.
Oo, she's done. Okay na.
Yes, okay. Pretty good. Pretty good.
Oh, you can eat now,
You
Quinn.
can eat now. You can eat now. Put it in your mouth now. Put it in your mouth now. Yeah. Okay. I don't want to go through this anymore. You can wash your hands now.
Wipe.
Wash your hands like... Wipe your hands like that. Very good. Yeah. Oh, good job. Wipe your mouth there. Yeah, do you want some water? Get you some water?
Water. Change mo ang water. It's
No,
been...
it's fine. It was done today.
Oh, she's getting mine.
You want
No.
Mummy's? Okay, you can have it, can't you, Mummy? Can you have another? I don't think she's done. I think she's tending to overeat. Let me see your mouth, please. Let me see. I want to see you open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Have water first.
Okay.
Why ang water look?
Okay.
Madumi.
Yeah, you're right. No, you do it, Quinn. You do it. Quinny. Good job. You're right, actually. I thought it was I tried to explain yesterday.
Oh, you cannot.
Good job. Did you just get one more piece? Another piece?
Hindi.
Okay.